Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're going to read day 23 of the book series, The Month of Christmas, written by T.Ferries. Now, this remarkable story is all about Santa Claus, the reindeer, the elves, and all the wonderful animals and people that live in the North Pole. Now, let's see what happens. Let's get started. Day 23, Wrapping Gifts. On day 23, we wrap the gifts. I say we because I am the chief gift wrapper. I go to Santa's workshop, and as soon as a gift pops in, I wrap it and the elves carry it away. I am so busy that this is going to be a short chapter. Did you know paper was invented in China around 200 BC? One of its uses was wrapping gifts that were given by the Chinese rulers to government officials. Today, gift wrap comes in many colors and designs, and we only use shiny, solid, colored wrap at the North Pole. Wrapped gifts can be so pretty. It is a shame to open them sometimes. Now, this is also the day that the fairies make their final report to Santa for his list of naughty and nice. People who are kind and generous go on the nice list, and all the others go on the naughty list. Now, those on the nice list get nice gifts from Santa, and the naughty list gets coal. Santa gives that list to the goblins, and they dig up the coal. Santa does not have time to waste on the naughty people. The goblins love digging coal and giving naughty people coal on Christmas Eve. Well, that's all for today. I have to get busy wrapping gifts. The end. Wow, what a remarkable story. Thank you so much for joining us again, boys and girls. We thank you for being here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you soon.